Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tradenation account to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, you just have to launch any of the Forex or commodities or indices charts in front of you. So as you can see, I've currently opened the AUD or USD chart. So when you have your chart available, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to click on the show all broker option in order for it to show you all of the brokers that can be easily connected with your TradingView account. Now, since we want to connect our Tradenation account with it, among the given options, you just have to look for Tradenation. In the second row, the second last option would be of Tradenation. But if you are not able to find it here, you can click on this search icon here on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you can look for Tradenation. When you are able to find its icon, simply click on it, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you on the login page of Tradenation. So here you need to provide your login credentials associated with your Tradenation account. Then simply click on the option of connect now. So this way you will be able to easily connect your Tradenation account with TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.